Hey there, again, Furukawa from Supermarketers. Today I want to show you how you can use ChatGPT in your Google Sheets. Now this is a total game changer. ChatGPT, of course, is amazing in increasing your productivity, but what if you could just drag down a cell like you were doing for a Google Sheets formula, and boom, all your answers are coming out automatically. And that's what this integration allows you to do. So you can do it for a number of different tasks or use cases. I'm going to show you a couple today, and you'll have the foundation so that you can do it for your own use case. Now, first things first, we'll need to install it. So this is a Chrome extension. So you just go to add-ons here, get add-on, and then you'll search for GPT for Sheets. There are actually a few different versions that allow you to integrate ChatGPT for Sheets. I use GPT for Sheets. It's been great for me. Now, once you've installed it, you will need to add your OpenAI API keys. That means it's basically using your OpenAI account. So in order to do that, you can just Google OpenAI API keys, or I already have it here. So you just create new key here, create a key, copy it, and then you would paste it in. So you can just go to here, GPT for Sheets, then set API key. Once you set API key, you just paste in your API key and you are ready to go. Now I'm going to show you a few examples. Let's suppose that you're a content marketer and you're looking for blog post ideas, content ideas. You've already done your keyword research here. And so let's just say you want 3 ideas, one for top of funnel, middle of funnel, and bottom of funnel. Suppose you are selling dog collars. So I've written a very simple prompt here. Create 3 blog post ideas, create one for top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel. Now that's going to be our prompt. Now, once you've installed it, it becomes basically a formula. So you can do equal sign as you would creating any formula. Type in GPT, and then you'll see it come up with a bunch of different variations. We're just going to do the basic one to start. So we're going to do the prompt here. Clicking that prompt, that means that in cell D2 is our prompt, comma, and then the value. So the value of the prompt is we're creating a blog post idea based on this value, which is dog collars. Hit enter, and it's going to load. Awesome, there it is. So we have 3 ideas, and it actually interpreted 3 ideas for top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom funnel. So that's 9 total. So right there, we have 9 ideas from one single keyword. Now, like I said, we can just drag this down because it is a formula. So we will want to lock the vertical here. So we'll do a $sign so that it is always referencing this second row. And then here, we can just drag down, and boom, there you go. That's amazing. Okay, so now we have some blog post ideas. Now what else can we do with it? We can actually just go through the process of creating a blog post. So maybe we want to start with an introduction. So again, it's the same thing. GPT, I tab over, then I'm going to use the prompt here, which I've written, basically write an introduction for a post based on this idea, comma, and then this is the idea. Hit enter, and it will load. Now I can, again, drag this down, which makes it super fast. So just like that, that's the introduction paragraph. And then if we go here, now I will say this is not, of course, the best prompt, nor necessarily the best process. You probably want to create an outline, then you'd want to be more specific in your prompt of the tone, the voice, what your output is. Maybe you're uploading some examples, but I just want to show you how this actually works, GPT for Sheets. So maybe you want to write a hook. So if you write a hook based on this prompt or based on this post, we all know that in this age of fast thumb scrolling, a hook is critical. So again, we're just going to do that, and then we can just drag it down. And so that's another example. Let's say now you want to write an email about this, the ultimate guide to choosing the perfect dog collar for your furry friend. So say you want to write an email about this, you would just write a prompt for the email. I have here, create 3 compelling curiosity-inducing subject lines based on this topic for an email promoting the product. Again, we can go through the same thing, optimize title tag. So the use cases are just as varied as you would with any ChatGPT prompt, but this is far quicker. So as you can see, basically we could do this once we do our keyword research, we could create content ideas, content hooks. We could do it multi-purpose for different platforms. It's amazing. The options are endless, just as it is with ChatGPT, except in Sheets, you can do it far faster. So this is just a quick tip of how I use ChatGPT in Sheets, and I use this all the time. It's super helpful. I hope you find it helpful. And if you let me know what other things you're having trouble with or want to learn about marketing and AI, I'd love to help. So please let me know. Thanks so much. Bye.